Hi Asad, this is Biplab speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today I started my work at 9 after 9 a.m. In the morning, and first of all I open my mail and watch all the channel over here and check out over there what will be there, and there you have some instruction, and I read that and do another mail over here. I check it out, and then I go to my BA management, where it's showing my daily work schedule. Today actually Rabbi and me together with make the videos on Process State. Today I make actually I made the video of Bangla, which is already submitted at Process State, and also work on KGG, add and reply some new fresh tenant mail reply, and also this is actually first day of making videos of Process State. Today I made Kepa and Amazon Seller Central. We made it, and here it said it on this channel. I made this, and Rabbi made this. Rabbi made English video, and I made Bangla video, and Kepa also. And this is actually today's work. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.